Hey friends, if you encounter the error can't find the specified path when trying to rename a file or folder, then please watch this video. So let's say you tried renaming this folder and you get this error. Maybe the folder was already deleted but the page was not refreshed. So right click on the start button, select show more options and refresh the page. The next solution is to restart the Windows Explorer process. So search for Task Manager in the Windows search bar and open Task Manager. Wait for the list to load. You'll find the Windows Explorer process, right click on it and select Restart. And the last one is to sign out from your system and sign in again. Right click on the Start button, select Shutdown or Sign Out and then select simply restart it, because when you're restarting it you will anyway sign out and sign in again. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.